Hello, this is Pratishta. I'm back today with a very interesting facts on data science in marketing domain. Data science is mostly used in marketing for things like customer profiles, search engine optimization, customer engagement, responsiveness, and real-time marketing campaigns. Also, every day brings new ways to use data science and analytics in marketing. These new use cases are digital advertising, micro-targeting, micro-segmentation, and many others. Data analytics process the data in marketing budget optimization. A data scientist may design a spending model based on a marketer's spending and acquisition data, which will assist the budget to be used more effectively. The methodology helps advertisers optimize their spending across locations, channels, media, and campaigns. Know your audience marketing campaigns target specific areas and audiences based on a model designed by the data scientist using their data. Finding the best channels. Data science helps assess whether marketing channels are effective. A data scientist uses a time series model to evaluate and find lift across channels. It shows the marketers which channel and media are producing results. Customer focused marketing. Marketers need strategies based on their target customers to maximize their effectiveness. Data scientists categorize clients by their behavior. The customer value model approach has various marketing uses. High value clients may get referral vouchers and money. What is the customer value model? Customer value models are tools used mostly in B2B marketplaces where the amount of customer value is determined by choice of a certain product, service, or proposal. Targeting leads. Data science technology helps the marketer target specific prospects and understand their online activity. Marketers may identify their company needs and the brands they have worked on within the last year by looking at historical data. Lead scoring. Every lead can't be customer. Hence, the marketer correctly segments clients by interest, which could help them to boost sales and income as well. Data science could help in generating predictive lead scoring. It could help to calculate conversion probability and segment lead list. Personas and profiling. Marketers create consumer personas for a product service. What are personas? Personas are fictional characters created based on research to represent the different user types that might similarly use your service, product, site, or brand. Data science lets them properly target personalities. They may choose the number of personas and client traits they require. Content strategy creation. To attract customers, marketers must always provide useful and relevant content. Data science could help marketers gather audience data to create better content for customers. Sentimental analysis. Marketers may utilize the data science to undertake sentiment analysis, which helps to understand consumer views, opinions, and attitudes. They can also track how consumers respond to marketing initiatives and whether they are engaged. Product development. Data science helps marketers collect and synthesize product data for diverse demographics. Using this data, they could build products and generate customized marketing efforts. Setting the best price. Data science may improve marketers' pricing strategies. By concentrating on consumer preferences, purchasing history, and the economy, marketers may determine what drives pricing and customer buying intent for each product group. Customer communication. Marketers can determine when to contact prospects and customers by analyzing data. For example, they can conduct mail campaigns based on consumer search results on the product and provide good support mail. Such information may help marketers choose the best communication time and channel. Real-time interaction marketing. Data science can provide real-time event data that marketers may use to target consumers. Food tech marketers may employ real-time data analytics to identify foodies and deliver mobile ads to them. Data-driven customer experience. Marketing success has always depended on providing a great client experience. Marketers may utilize the data science to gather user activity patterns to forecast product needs. It helps them promote effectively and delight consumers. Customer loyalty. Data science may help marketers enhance client retention and loyalty. Marketers target customers and study their activity on the internet. The companies run relevant product ads on their devices based on their activity. This kind of marketing strategy helps the company increase sales and business loyalty. Social media marketing. Customers use Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter often. Data science can show marketers which leads visit their social media page, what they click on, and more. They may create a good social media interaction plan using this information. Advertisement. Data science helps marketers sell advertising to consumers and monitor campaign clicks and outcomes. It ensures the proper individuals see banner advertising and increases click-through rates. Email campaign. Data science can tell which email clients like, when to send emails, how frequently they are read, what material consumers like, etc. Marketers may use this data to deliver contextualized emails and target the correct consumers. Marketing platforms, data-driven digital marketing thrives. Refined data may help marketers get greater insights. Data science may enhance digital marketing platforms by giving relevant data to help marketers reach their objectives. Even marketers benefit from the expertise of data scientists in order to generate more leads for the company's product. The marketing department is using data science to optimize its processes. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to LearnWay. Let the tribe grow and don't forget to press the bell icon.